What's up, you guys? So I'm going to be showing you how I put on my strip lashes to make them look like this. I don't have to worry about them lifting, and they actually last for days. So let's go. I just wanted to let y'all know lashes will really make a look. Like, come on now, let's get to it. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like at the top so you can see. Like, I don't have to worry about no glue or anything being, funky. So I'm showing y'all I'm using these cheap lashes. It's $1.99 from the beauty supply store. This one's called Missy. And hair store glue. Hey, mind your business. But it's what works for me. So I'm going to start by getting some tweezers. Now these tweezers are curved. But you can use any kind of tweezers. They don't have to be curved. So, and I'm also going to use the back end of a rat tail comb. And yeah, so I'm going to take the lashes off of the palette thing with the tweezers. It comes right up. And I'm going to cut this into 3 pieces. For the inner corner, I do cut it a little short because I want to make sure that it stays on there and it doesn't lift. So I'm grabbing the glue and I'm grabbing the rat tail comb and I'm just going to dip it in there. And you'll see some glue on there. So I'm going to add the glue to the front of the eyelash. So on the band, I'm going to put some glue on there and I'm going to put it on like a little bit of the hair right beneath the band, but I don't want it to look crazy. And I'm just going to blow this for about a good 10 seconds. I sped it up in the video, but you don't want it to get dry because it dries fast. So I'm just going to pull my eyelid up. So I'm going to apply this to the base of my eyelash. So I'm not going to put it on my eye line, but I do want to put it close to that bottom of my eyelash. So I want to have a little bit of space so it doesn't cause any irritation, because if you put it on your eye line, like, it's going to be real irritated and you're going to want to take them off. So yeah. Now I'm just going to press my eyelash and the strip lash together. Be careful not to get the glue on the tweezers because it's going to be a mess. And why I like using this glue, because I can literally just take off the glue. Like, it dries so fast and it's so easy to come off. But it does make your eyelashes last. Like, I can wear these for about a good week before and wash my face and everything. Gotta add in washing, and they will stay on with the hair glue. So if you've got a better glue, it's gonna stay on even longer. Alright, so I'm gonna cut another piece for the middle. So I'm gonna cut this like in the middle. And y'all, don't talk crap about my scissors, okay? I couldn't find my other ones. Now I'm doing something I should have did the first time, is just size it. So I want to make sure that when I put this eyelash on my actual eyelashes, that it is going to be able to go on in one go without having to cut it again. Because sometimes, like, you don't want to, that's why your lashes be lifting when you put the whole strip on there, because the ends, they never stay down. I don't care what nobody say, they never stay down. But this is a good way to make sure that your lashes do, they look good and they won't lift. So once again, I'm going to lift up my eyelid And I'm going to try to connect the ends. Don't overlap the lashes, but try to connect the ends so you don't worry about any gaps or anything. So I like to put it on there, and what I'm doing right now is I'm sliding it up. So I'm not taking it off and putting it back on. I'm sliding it up if I need to adjust it. So, yeah, I like to slide it up just a little bit above, where your lashes start at. You still want to make sure that's on your lashes, not your actual lash line, because it's going to hurt. Just pressing them together, making sure that I'm really pressing it up against my eyelashes just to make sure that they stay on there. So now this is the last piece. I'm just sizing it, making sure I don't have to make another piece because I don't want to have to cut another piece. So this looked like it fit perfectly. So I'm about to go ahead and put the glue on there. Same process. I'm putting it on the front of the eyelash, on the eyelash band. And I also want to know how I'm holding the eyelash. I have the whole eyelash under this tweezer. This makes it so easy to be able to just apply your eyelash in one go instead of like holding it at one end. So yeah, this helps out a lot. I'm just pressing them in still, pressing them, making sure that the glue does dry on my eyelashes. So I'm just about to brush them out real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like at the bottom, so y'all can, well, at the top, so y'all can see. Like, you don't see no crazy, eyelash bands or nothing, or no glue. And if I had some glue on my eyelash, I could literally just rub it off. Like, yeah. So they're so cute. I love these. So yeah, this is how I put my lashes on. Y'all let me know if this works for you. Also, if you like my neck warmer and my hat set, I do sell those on my own website, which will be linked in the bio. So yeah, thank you guys. Make sure y'all like and share, and let me know. Tag me if you use this.